This short video shows you how to set up your account to join the ANZSTAT Discussion Forum, first as a non-member, then as a member, and then for both groups I'll show you the options. So the first thing to do is to get to the discussion forum, which is through communication and then ANZSTAT Discussion Forum. And then if you're a non-member, then click here to set up your account. Okay, put in your email and then just a quick test to make sure you're not a robot. And then next. Okay, and then we just need a few details of your name. I've already got your email. You can tell us your country or not. Then, if you like, there are other mailing lists you can subscribe to. So, for example, I might want to hear about what's going on in the Bayesian section and biostats section. So I'll click on those two. And then next. And then I'm just being asked to review and confirm here. Yep, everything looks good. And then confirm. And the next stage now is to go to our email. So you should have got an email with your login details, or if you're already a member, next thing to do is click on Members Login. Log in, add in your details. Okay, and then we go to the forums. So we go Communication, ANZSTAT Discussion Forum. And we've split it into 3 forums. So we've got job vacancies and scholarships, events, and general topics. So you can join 1, 2, or all 3 of these. Please also have a read of our forum guidelines that are here. So let's see, I'll click in job vacancies. I can see I'm already subscribed. So if I want to unsubscribe, just click there and then subscribing, click there. We can move to the events page easily here. Okay, I'm already subscribed there. So the next thing to do is to work out how often we want to receive notifications. Click on Members Login. Click on your name. Click on Edit Profile. Then Email Subscriptions. We can see the 2 ones email announcements I announced for earlier. And the other one we can see is for each forum, we've got the general topics, event announcements, and job vacancies. I can change whether I get notifications when people have posted something either at the end of every day, at the end of every week, or immediately. So immediately would be like the current ANZSTAT. So I'm just going to get a daily digest for each 3 forums. Click Save there, and we're done.